Hello kids! In English learning session today we are going to take up the next concept and it is very interesting concept. It is the use of in, on and under. Here I have got a ball. I'll be placing this ball on different articles. Let's say here is a stand, here is a table and here is a small basket with me. I will place the ball on different articles under or in the different articles and you will understand how the use of in, on, under can be done. By looking at the pictures or making use of different articles, you can help yourself in understanding and learning this concept. Here I have got a ball. Now I am placing this ball on the over here and this is a small table. Now the ball is placed on the table. The ball is on the table because it is on the surface of the table. Now if I place this ball here, you can say now it is in the basket. The ball is in the basket. If I place this ball here, now it is underneath. So you can say the ball is under the table, under the stand. The ball is under this stand. One more time. Ball is on the table. Ball is in the basket because it is inside the surface. So it is in the basket. And if I place it under it, so you can say the ball is under the stand. So hope you are able to understand this. Now we will understand it more better with the help of our textbook. The use of in, on, under. So first of all we will take up use of in from page number 40 of English book. Read and say what you have to see. Different pictures are given over here and they all are containing things or animals somewhere in the other thing. Let's read. A ball in a net. Here a ball is in the net. Next, a dog in a kennel. Here you can see this is a kennel, house of a dog, and dog is sitting in the kennel. Next, a lion in a den. If you see, the lion is sitting. This is a den in a den. A rat in a hat. Hat is over here and rat is sitting in the hat. A bird in a nest. Bird is in the nest. A cat in a tub. A cat is sitting in the tub like child when taking bath sits inside the tub. Similarly, cat is in a tub. A fox in a box. Here is a fox inside the box. A hen in a pen. Here is a hen in the pen. This is a pen. Next, use of on. A fox on a box. Here there are pictures which will show you that things are lying on the other things. A fox on a box. Here fox is on the box. Next, a bird on a tree. Like this bird is sitting on the branch of a tree. On. Next, a hat on a bat. This is a bat and hat is on the bat. A jug on a table. Like this. Table is here and jug is lying on the table. Next, a dog on a log. This is a log and dog is on the log. A rat on a mat. A cup on a book. A crow on a pot. Next is use of under. Whichever things you will see over in these pictures, they all are placed under the other thing. Let's read. A bat under a chair. Here there is a bat which is under the chair. Above, not on the chair, under the chair. A cow under the shed. This is a shed and cow is standing under the shed. A rat under a hat. Here is a rat under the hat. A ball under a bed. Here you can see a ball. Ball is not on. It is under, niche. A cat under a mat. Here is a mat and mat is on the cat. So cat is under the mat. A rat under a van. Here you can see a small rat under the van. A boat under a bridge. Here is a boat. It is passing by and on the river and it is under the bridge. This is a bridge, under the bridge. A dog under a cot. Here a dog is sitting under the cot. On the next page we have some exercises. We are to fill in the blanks with in, on and under. Let's see, observe the pictures keenly and write the correct word in the blank. This is called blank. We are to read, see the picture, read it and write the correct word. A boy. If you see a boy, here is a boy. Where is the boy? On, no. In, no. In is over here, no. Under. A boy under a tree. Write down U-N-D-E-R. Under. A boy under a tree. Here, observe this picture. There is a monkey. A monkey. A tree. Where is the monkey? On. So write down on a tree. A rat. Where is the rat? On. Again on a mat. A bun. Where is the bun lying on a plate or under the plate? On. Write down O-N. On. A cat. Where is the cat? Here is the mat. It is under. So write down U-N-D-E-R. Under a mat. Where is the ball? Ball is on the table. Upper. A ball on a table. A man. Where is the man? If a driver has to drive a car or a van, it has to sit inside. So in. A man in a van. A lion. Where is the lion? In the den. We have already seen and read this sentence. A cub. Where is the cub? Here is the cub in the tub. In a tub. Next, a cow under a shed. Under. So let's do the next page. Circle the correct word. Here we are to circle the correct word. Number 1 is the boy is on or in the mat. Let's see. He is sitting on the mat. So we are to circle the correct word. On. The man is on or in the car. Where is the man? Here. In the car. So in will be encircled. The parrot is on or in the cage. Yes, it is in the cage. So in will be encircled. The hat is on or in the bat. Where is the hat lying? On. So on. O-N. On. The mug is on or in the tub. Where is the mug? In. It is in the tub. The monkey is on or in the log. Where is the monkey? On the log. So revise these exercises. Thank you.